In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Minecraft with friends Mojang. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and play Minecraft with your friends. I'm going to teach you how to do this on Bedrock Edition, so keep that in mind. I'm also going to be briefly talking about Java, but that process will require a server that you have to host yourself or through a hosting service. For Bedrock Edition, it is going to be a little bit simpler. All that you have to do is go over to play on any device, so a smartphone, a PC, a console, and go to the friends tab. What you will be doing here is adding friends to this list. So go to the option to search for players and input their gamer tag here. You will usually see recommended friends, and all that you have to do is type whoever it is that you want to add. So once you type their names, you can click on the add option and they will be able to accept you back. So you click add, the friend request will be sent, and once they go over here to the friends tab, they will get a notification. Once both of you are added, you can see the status. So for example, these friends of mine are online, these two are offline, and all that you have to do now is create a new world and make sure that multiplayer is enabled. So multiplayer game enabled. Player access, bare minimum, has to be friends, or you can do invited players if you don't want random people to join. And now you can go ahead and create. Once you are inside of the world, you will see the option to invite players, including of course people on your friends list. So nowadays with Bedrock Edition, it is super simple. Once you are inside, you pause the game at any point and then invite the game at the right side of the screen. You can choose who you want to invite and send the invite here. They will get a notification and they can join you right away. If you are playing on the same Wi-Fi network, so a LAN world, they will be able to find it once they go over to multiplayer. So if they choose play and they go to the servers instead, they will be able to see your LAN world listed here at the bottom. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Minecraft with friends Mojang. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.